Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Aiman Sheikh and today in this video we will see how to split a text with a particular delimiter in Excel. So we have so without wasting time, let's get into the video. So here we have a data set in a column which is having many things, which is having many words separated by comma. So you can see that we have a event code. It is one type of code. Then event description. So what is the description for that particular code? Then event type. What is the type of that event? And the metrics description, that the like in which metric we have received the data. So we have a data set over here and now we want that it should get split with this thing. So first way is doing it manually, but it is very time consuming, like copy pasting single things, and maybe while doing copy pasting we might miss some things, or we might miss some names. Instead of just copying full name, we just have copied till m, so that all mistakes can occur. So to do this task in a very simple and easy way, we have two methods. So first method is, like, first we will delete this. First method is using the formula. So we will use the formula as text split. And text split, I will select the text and the delimiter. So here we have the delimiter as comma. So we'll select the comma and enter. So you can see that here now everything has been delimited with this comma. So same thing you can do it for all the other. So same thing we can do this for all this text. Now the another way to do is, like, first we have to split this particular cell in four different columns. So I will try to add four different columns over here. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3, and already we have one column over here. So now it is four columns. So what I will do, first we will select this data and then we'll go to insert. So first we will select this data and we will go to data, and here in data we have text to column. So text to column we have delimit next, and we will be delimiting it with comma. So you can see that in this way you are going to see your data. If you have, instead of comma, if you are having space, or instead of space if you are having semicolon or any other thing, like we will see one more example also. Other than comma, if we have something else, then how can we split it? So I have just selected the comma and I will press next and finish. So you can see that now our this data set has been splitted properly. So this was two ways to split the data. Now instead of comma, if I replace comma with hyphen or with a pipe. So just let me replace this. Okay, and close. So now instead of comma we have the pipe. So same way we will select this data, and earlier we did it manually going to the data tab and selecting the text to column. Now we will use the shortcut. So the shortcut is Alt A and E. So Alt A E will open this dialog box, and you can open this same dialog box using text to column. So after pressing Alt A E, you can see that delimit, then next, and now we don't have the comma as the delimit or the tab as the delimit, but we have a pipe as a delimit. So we have entered that pipe, and now next and finish. So you can see still this all things are getting delimited with pipe and with this function very well. So this way you can do this very simply and very fast. So by doing this way, so by splitting your text in this way will make your task easier and error free. So by using it in this form. So that's all for this video. See you in next video.